Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Microsoft OneDrive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is to open up ChatGPT. Now on the left hand side, we want to click onto apps. Then from here, we want to go ahead and do a search and search for SharePoint and then hit enter. Here it is here. So search and pull from shared sites and OneDrive. So click into that. So what this is going to allow us to do, work with documents stored in SharePoint or OneDrive, including PDFs, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel docs. So from here, click on the connect button. Now it's going to say here, continue to Microsoft SharePoint. So click onto that link. Now this should get you over to Microsoft and sign you in. So just go ahead and put in your email, your password. So now this is good. Once you've signed in, it's going to take you back to ChatGPT and you're going to be able to access all your files inside of your Microsoft OneDrive. Now this saves time because you don't have to download your OneDrive stuff and re-upload to ChatGPT. Inside of ChatGPT, you can just pull it straight from OneDrive.